Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how to achieve shiny, smooth curls with minimal frizz? The Revlon Crystal C Plus Ceramic Hair Curling Iron promises just that: long-lasting shine and less frizz, thanks to its unique fusion of ceramic and crystal tourmaline technology. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dive in and find out. The Revlon Crystal C Plus Ceramic Hair Curling Iron features a 1-inch barrel designed for creating looser curls and natural-looking waves. This tool doubles as both a curling iron and wand, giving you plenty of versatility to achieve your desired look. The fusion of ceramic and crystal tourmaline helps provide a smooth glide and less frizz, aiming to leave your hair looking polished and shiny. It also boasts multiple heat settings and an auto shutoff feature, making it suitable for all hair types. One of the most convenient features is the digital LCD display, which makes it easy to set your preferred temperature. Whether you have fine, thick, or coarse hair, you can adjust the heat to meet your needs. Plus, the dual voltage capability means it's travel ready, so you can take this curling iron with you anywhere in the world. The tangle-free swivel cord ensures easy maneuverability while styling. In real-world use, I found that the Revlon Crystal C curling iron was incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The 1-inch barrel is ideal for creating beachy waves or soft curls. It glides through my hair smoothly, leaving behind a shiny finish with noticeably less frizz compared to other tools I've used. I tested it on both my hair and my husband's thicker hair to see how it handled different textures. On my hair, it created loose, shiny waves that lasted well into the evening. And on my husband's hair, it produced defined curls that held up through the day without being too tight. One thing I particularly appreciate is the digital temperature control. It allows for precise customization. No more guessing if your iron is too hot or too cold. And with its auto shutoff feature, I never have to worry about leaving it on by mistake. However, the 1-inch barrel might not be ideal for those looking to create more defined, tight curls, and I did notice that the iron takes a minute to heat up to its highest setting. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros: ceramic and crystal tourmaline technology delivers shiny, frizz-free results. Multiple heat settings for versatile styling. Travel-friendly with dual voltage. Digital LCD display for easy temperature adjustments. Swivel cord for tangle-free styling. Cons: the 1-inch barrel might not be suitable for those desiring tighter curls. Takes a minute to heat up to the highest temperature. May not be as durable as some high-end curling irons based on long-term usage. In terms of value for money, the Revlon Crystal C Plus Ceramic Hair Curling Iron strikes a balance. It's reasonably priced for the technology it offers, especially when you compare it to higher-end options that may offer more advanced features but come at a steeper price point. If you're seeking a reliable curling iron that won't break the bank but still gives you professional-looking results, this is a solid choice. There are definitely cheaper alternatives if you're on a budget. Tools like the Conair Infini Pro or the Hot Tools Professional Curling Iron might offer similar features, but at a lower price. However, they might lack some of the shiny, frizz-reducing effects that the Revlon model provides, so consider your priorities. If frizz reduction and shine are top of mind, the Revlon Crystal C is worth the extra few dollars. In terms of build quality, it feels sturdy in hand and the materials seem solid, but it doesn't have the weight or premium feel that some high-end models offer. That being said, for the price point, it's a good balance of durability and functionality. If you're looking for a curling iron that can give you great results without a hefty price tag, the Revlon Crystal C Plus Ceramic Hair Curling Iron is definitely worth considering. The versatility, shine-enhancing features, and frizz-reducing technology make it a solid tool for everyday styling, especially for those with medium to fine hair. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.